I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas to you and your families. This has been such a big year for Monsta. Many of you joined us across all of our platforms out there on the social media world, and lots of you had engaged with us, sharing with us your dream homes, your renovations, your DIYing. Fantastic work. Love being involved in that in many, many ways with our products and with the advice we've given. We had a big year with our new product with our right wall magnetic paint, I should put that. We launched Go-To with our advisory service with our pros, and that's been fantastic. And so many new homes that we got involved with, which was fantastic fun for us, and seeing you bring your ideas and dreams to life. And our Renovate Q&A show, our Reno Q&A show, we just launched that one, and we've got so much more in store for that in the new year. So have a great break, drink and eat sensibly, enjoy that time off, and I'll see you in 2019.